Thank you for purchasing from us again. It's great to have you as part of the DutchCrafters family. You may already know some of this from previous purchases, but here's an overview of what to expect now that you've placed your order. Whether you've purchased a small bird feeder or a large outdoor shed, it's being built by Amish hands in woodworking shops along country roads in Pennsylvania, Indiana, and Ohio. Due to the Amish woodworkers' limited use of technology, we unfortunately can't provide step-by-step tracking updates or photos, but we can give you a general estimate of what goes on behind the scenes. Your order will be built to your specifications by talented Amish craftsmen. Estimated build times can be found on product pages on our website, and the estimated completion date can be found on your order tracking page. We'll send a link to that page in a later email. We'll also send a delivery email around the time your order ships. We'd love to hear from you once you receive your purchase. We expect you'll love it, but we like to know for sure. We enjoy seeing photos and videos of the products once they've come home to you. But we also want to be there if you have any problems upon delivery. We're always happy to resolve any issues. Watch your email inbox for tips and advice, delivery information, and more as you prepare to receive your order. As a member of the DutchCrafters family, you may receive coupon codes and early access to sales and promotions. Thanks again for choosing DutchCrafters.